Welcome to the Olivehurst Roadway Climate Resiliency Project, a transformative initiative aimed at improving safety, reducing localized flooding, and creating safer connections for the residents of Olivehurst. Over the years, many of you have raised concerns about flooding on your streets. We've heard you. Supported by the local Transportation Climate Adaptation Program, this project will address those issues by installing new storm drain systems to manage the rainfall runoff, which will prevent localized flooding in the future. These storm drains are designed to protect homes, businesses, and streets by preventing water from ponding during storms, reducing the risks associated with flooding. Olivehurst will also see new sidewalks and bike lanes. These improvements will provide safer, more accessible routes for pedestrians and cyclists, connecting you to schools, parks, and local businesses. For families, this means safer paths for children walking to school, biking to the park, or simply enjoying a stroll around the neighborhood. During construction, we know you'll be concerned about access to your home. Rest assured, temporary measures like steel plates will ensure you can still park and safely enter your home. You'll also be notified in advance of any temporary changes to parking or access. Your input has helped shape this project, and we encourage you to stay involved. Community meetings will continue throughout the process, where we'll provide updates and answer any questions you may have. We're also offering translated materials and meetings for our Hmong and Spanish-speaking neighbors. When completed, this project will leave a lasting impact on the Olivehurst community. By reducing the risks of localized flooding, improving safety, and enhancing our infrastructure, we're building a stronger, more connected, and resilient community. Stay informed and be part of the change. Visit civicmike.com/Olivehurst for the latest updates, meeting information, and project documents.